So, yeah, it's pretty rough all around, right?
Yeah. Bad shape.
Hey, we were just really carefully assessing this. I mean, the floor framing's not good. The wall framing's not good. The roof is obviously not good.
So you're saying tear this whole thing down, like get rid of everything?
Basically, yeah.
I mean, you got rot, you got rot.
I don't know. What's the difference if we salvage what we have or if we build brand new?
15 to 20 grand.
It's hard for me to just grasp everything goes. And then it's all brand new again.
The amount of labor it's gonna take to get this back structurally sound again, John, it just doesn't make financial sense.
I mean, that's still a hard pill to swallow. I think my family know exactly how I operate. Sometimes I don't operate with the bottom line. I operate with a big heart. He owns a restaurant. We've been in the music business together since we were kids. Out of all the family, I'm gonna go to him and ask for advice. Hey.
Yo, what's up? What's going on? How's traffic?
It was intense.
Yeah.
Here we are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here we are.
Definitely need coffee after this long day. Tree fell on one of the cabins.
Definitely heard about that.
Split it right in half. The thing's been there since like 1930. If I was to fix it,
Yeah.
it's probably like $20,000 more than what it would cost to build a brand new structure. It breaks my heart.
You want to, in your heart, to spend the extra money to refurbish it.
For sure.
What I've learned from like doing business, being involved in this business, even in our business and touring, the business is everything. So you really want to make the tough decision to not spend as much money. I would say knock it down.
I know. I mean, that's where I keep going back to.
I'm telling you, all of these things add up.
It's gonna crush me.
This is a step you have to take to really make a business, you know, solid. Do you like do projections or anything like that, like with a spreadsheet or?
No. I just, in my heart, know it's gonna work and people are gonna come.
Okay, but after all these expenses, you gotta know that you can still make a profit. Put projections together, like how much a night for each cabin can you charge? How many days a week do you think that they will be filled? What do other places in the area, what do they charge? And then what kind of monthly expenses with all the vendors, the projections, getting a general manager, getting staff, getting a website up, the name of the place, the logo, and the amortization, like the loan. How's everything else going with like setting up the vendors?
Wow, I look like a real dumbass right now. I don't know what I've spent to date. I don't know who I'm gonna hire. I don't know what demographics are gonna come here. I think I'm in over my head.
You have to do it.
I don't even own a computer. Jordan is right, and it's a sad day that that cabin's gonna be torn down, but at the same time, you know, business is business. I have to knock it down and start over, but that's gonna have to wait. Talking with Jordan was a real wake-up call for me. This could get very interesting.
Good job.
She's like, these damn kids. And this one, when he was little, he was
I'm getting back
school.
Getting back at him. Gotta be an easier way to take this stuff down.
You'll take that?
Yeah.
Watch the nails. There. Well, I must say in 55 years, I don't think I've ever seen my mother pick up a power tool, so that was pretty fun. She seems to be into it.
Just more pain medication for my back, that's all. Karate Kid.
Mouse nest.
Mom and I have been talking, and we have this really fun idea. And you're gonna be on board, right?
And you're gonna love it, and we're gonna have fun.
All right, well, I will trust you guys on this.
Good. Trust us.
We in the spot and my crew's too hot. Nobody rocks the parties we rock. Let me shoot my shot.
With just a few weeks to go, we're painting the walls a crisp white, adding some blue accents, and refinishing the pine floors just like Mom wanted.
Well, this is exciting.
After you.
Oh, looking good.
This floor, John. Oh my gosh. This looks amazing.
So
But they
good.
sanded up so good, and I think the character is just amazing.
It is.
And these are beautiful. The color is beautiful.
The sink will be over here.
Yep.
Stove.
Pantry stove.
Sink. And then we will have our nice white.
White quartz counter. Look at this, Sharon, the backdrop.
Is that the same color as the?
Kitchen.
Yes,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Little repetition just to, kind of tie these two
Tie
rooms
it all together.
Yeah.
So I know we talked about different trim options
yeah.
and moldings, and this is what you guys came up with.
I love it.
I love it. It's very classy.
Yeah.
And with the bed here, looking right out onto that water, it's gorgeous.
Yeah.
It's so relaxing in here. And just the simple millwork around the window is beautiful. Can hardly wait to see the chandelier up there. And the mantle. It's understated.
It's not
And-
complete yet, but yes, it's beautiful.
Yeah. Can we get this painted?
What, we're gonna whitewash it or something, or?
I've been going back and forth about painting. I hate painted brick
I
because it
know,
always
but
seems to
that's
chip.
not nice.
I'll go get some whitewash. We'll
Yeah.
start
Yeah.
slow.
See
we'll
what
see
it
how
looks
it
like.
looks, and then go
decide.
from there. You guys want to check out the bathroom?
Yeah.
These are so cute, John.
So these are actually doors from all the cottages. When we put the new exterior doors on, we decided to use these.
What a great way to repurpose them.
Yeah.
These are the tiles that I came up with, and I just want to make sure these are to your standards before the tile guy puts them up. It's very European.
It sure is.
That this cabin, you guys wanted that
It sure is.
romantic European vacation feel.
I love it.
And then this is gonna just be an accent in the shower. I think I'm just gonna do a line around.
Yeah.
Just to bring some color in.
Yeah.
That looks so good.
Yeah.
In the couple's cabin, the two-person shower is coming out so nice. And the cabinets are going in as well.
We don't have a countertop, but I see you have a sample here.
Yeah.
That is it. This is quartz. It's durable, it won't stain, but it has the look of marble. And then that'll go there.
Oh, that'll look stunning.
Beautiful.
Oh, kitchen sink, light above the sink. You got a little mustard here. So on both sides of the windows, they'll project out.
They're wonderful.
I definitely said I was gonna stick to $100,000 per cabin, and I have gone over that. It got to be a little bit of splurge. We had the Portuguese tile imported that I loved. The firm
Same.
sink, that was a bit pricey. The tile in the bathroom was very pricey. But I think for couples, I think for a price point, I think we might have to raise the nightly prices. But I think we can do that because of all, the luxury. This is
totally worth it.
luxury.
Yeah.
Every day, all the same. People talking, never listen, and they say, give me fame, but can't make their own decision. In my mind, so far gone, but my heart is on a mission, a vision.
the junky flea market
Yes.
things that I thought were gonna look horrible.
Flea market, they're vintage. That's a
They're
good word.
original to the cottages.
Fact that this was able to be reused, that's even better. That's just gonna keep the budget down. They look amazing.
They do.
Where do you guys think these are gonna end up?
Well, I think on the front porch would be kind of cool.
Let's get the rocker on the
Okay.
porch, the chairs, and I'll grab the table.
Oh, yeah. I got faith that can fix me even when I'm broke. I got hope.
Oh, wow.
Well, welcome to cottage number 6. Also known as the couple's cottage.
Really? Is there a hot tub in here?
And Mom was in charge of this?
Mom. It looks really nice. Let's check out this red heart-shaped bed. Here we go.
Did you bring your quarters?
Let the romantic tour begin.
Oh, boy.
Yes.
Ooh. Oh, oh.
Oh.
Look at this.
It's so sweet.
It is sweet, isn't it?
It's definitely elevated from the other cottages. It has like a sophistication.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.
And we were fortunate that we were able to keep the original flooring.
Like, I can't believe these are the original floors, because seriously, when we first walked into all of these cabins, to think that you could salvage anything was like, you know.
A miracle, right?
A miracle.
I know.
That fireplace is absolutely gorgeous.
The brick was absolutely ugly. So we just did a whitewash. That's a big, big improvement. I really need to point out that this needlepoint picture was done in 1963 by my grandmother Putman.
So there's a lot of family history in here.
There is.
It is.
Oh my God, I'm just seeing this now.
Yeah.
Grandma.
She was 18 in that picture.
If that doesn't say romance
Yep.
and sexy.
I know.
But isn't that a perfect picture for here? She's at the lake, and here we are at the lake. So we had to honor her.
We go into the kitchen area.
Oh, wow. You have outdone yourself. First thing, I love the sink. The cupboards, beautiful.
I love the tiles.
The tile was imported from Portugal. It's hand painted.
Yeah, how much did that cost?
John promised that he would stay on budget
Yeah,
with these.
exactly.
He says he did,
He's
but
got artisans in Europe
He did.
painting things and
I
sending
saw the
them off.
box.
Let's
There
see this
you are.
bedroom. It looks so
There you
sexy with
are.
these blowy sheer
Ooh,
drapes.
oh, ooh la la.
There's no mirrors on the ceiling. You kept it classy. Okay.
We decided to bring the same color blue from the kitchen into the bedroom just to keep continuity.
And it works.
It does,
Yeah.
isn't it?
It works beautiful in here.
And you notice that we have the bed facing the lake.
Yes, I
So that you
noticed
can
that right away.
lay in bed or sit up and read and still look out and see the scenery of the lake.
And have somebody come in and bring you breakfast in bed.
And Allison, all those bed pleasures that we haven't even mentioned.
Oh,
this is
oh,
the, This is the couple's cabin.
Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Maybe I'll be sharing it with somebody.
That's even worse. Gross.
Let's get out of here.
This is terrible. Oh, nice job, ladies.
It's like clean and simple.
You know, I feel there's just a very like elegant European feel in here. And that's why we went with the Zellage tile. It's meant to look handmade, rough, like it's been on the walls for hundreds of years. And then we added the nice marigold band around it just to tie everything together.
Isn't it
It
lovely?
works, yes.
And you notice how big the shower is?
Yes.
2 people!
Welcome to our porch.
Very nice.
I'm just noticing the light fixtures.
Aren't they sweet?
They're cute.
The rocking chair,
This is your dining area.
cool little table.
Yeah.
We refurbished all this lovely furniture.
No, it's pretty amazing what a little paint would do, what a little sanding will do.
This is the greatest sound ever.
Yes.
Oh,
This
yes.
is the greatest sound ever.
Yep.
I will say, you know, there's been a lot of ups and downs on this journey, and the important thing is that we've all came through still a very connected family. So I applaud you guys for all the amazing work that you guys have done. This is something like we've never done before.
I know,
right.
we've designed a bunch of cottages, and they all turned out. So.
They did.
They sure have.
I am so proud that you guys all stepped up and came up here and helped participate and really put your stamp on things. And I honestly couldn't have done it without you guys. And I know you'll be there for me when it's time to open this place in June. And I appreciate it so much.
We know you do, dear.
And we wouldn't have wanted you to do it alone without us.
Yeah.
Bring it. Ready? Ready? Go get it. Have it. Oh, Daddy's here.
What's going on?
You know, I think I was a little overambitious thinking that I could get all this done in such a short period of time. Coming up here is just taking 2 hours out of my day every day just in travel. So I'm thinking we start on the main house. That way we have a comfortable place to live. When I have a few days off, I can pop up here overnight and work on getting this place open with finished cabins.